Okay, so this drawer, which has an IKEA organizer in it, if you're wondering where this giant thing is from, this is all of my lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, and lip balms. Ignore this, that's just stuff that needs to be back to back. Go away. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm not worried about getting rid of too many liquid lipsticks because I do really like them and I use them quite often. Bunch of these lip balms need to go at this point just because they're old, but like I have this hoarding problem with cute products. But lip glosses, this is like a stupid amount of lip gloss for anyone, but especially me because I don't like lip gloss. So the fact that I have all this is so ridiculous because I very rarely wear it, and if I do, it's more just for like pictures or a video. So yeah, I've already gone through and swatched these because again, like I've said before, it takes me forever to decide on things, so I try to do it beforehand so I'm not just sitting in a video and have a million hours of footage to edit. So let's go through the liquid lipsticks first because there's a few that do need to go. This section is like neutrals and peaky tones, and these are going to be everything else, purples and berries, reds, colorfuls, all that stuff. I think everything is in here. There might be a couple things in my purse, but those are like much loved products, so like I'm not going to worry about getting them. Okay, so here's the neutral tone liquid lips. Oh god, I wasn't prepared for this as I thought it was. This one, this is the Balm Mini Meet Matte Hues. Can you even see it? This the Balm liquid lipstick, Meet Matte Hues, Committed, I don't know what it's called, but it's really old. It wasn't bad, but I just need to throw this out. These Tarte ones, I'm like legit scared of. These Tarte lip paints, I have too minis. I really need to try them, but I have heard horrible things, and I remember wearing one at work one time and it was just so dry and gross. So I'm gonna try these guys, at least one of them, to see how the formula really is on me, and if I don't like them, I'll get rid of them. But I have, what is this one? Birthday Suit and Rosé. So we'll see. I'm gonna try them and I feel like they'll probably go. These Julep Matte Whip Mousse things, love these. Also love the Smashbox liquid lips, so I'm keeping that for sure. I have a few Jeffree Star liquid lips. They're not the best. I don't see why they're so insanely hyped up, but they're not bad, and I do like these colors, so I'm gonna keep those. I do really like the Wet n Wild liquid cat suit, so I'm gonna keep that guy. But this is the Wet n Wild matte liquid lipstick. These were before the liquid cat suits came out, and these suck. So I'm just going to throw this one away because it's terrible. It's so drying and gross. This is too lip to quit. So that's going to go. Too lip to quit. You're going to quit now. I love the Buxom Vava Plumps. They're so nice and creamy, and they're like glossy looking and they're not drying at all. But I hate this color. This was given to me in gratis. It's called Rush Into You. I'm going to try it again because I really want this to work, because I really like this formula, so I'm going to hang on to it for now. I do really like Dose of Colors liquid lips, so I'm going to keep those two. I do like Stila's as well. Bocce's a gorgeous color. I haven't actually tried this Ofra one. I got this in BoxyCharm recently. I need to try this one, and obviously if I don't like it, it's going to go. Like I said, most of these aren't going to go. Alright, so Anastasia liquid lips kind of suck, but my dumbass is going to keep them for now. I'm going to try to make them work. I might get rid of them next Declutter. I don't know. They're pretty colors. They're just a stupid formula. Like, if they make that noise, you know they're not good. You know? It's just, ugh, whatever. Okay, this guy is actually really old. Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color and Devotion. But I really like these. These don't, like, they're kind of similar to the Vava Plump formula where they're like, kind of like liquid lipsticks, but they don't fully dry down, but they stay a long time and they're really pretty, and I really like this color on me, so I'm going to keep that. I've actually worn it quite a bit. So I have a whole bunch of these Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lips I got for super cheap when Ulta stopped carrying Rimmel. You'll see in the other section I have a ton of these. I haven't used any of them yet. I don't know what's wrong with me. I need to use these. And if I try one or two of the colors and I don't like them, I'll definitely get rid of the rest. But for now, they're going to stay. Like, where's my needs to try pile? This. I am scared about those Tarte ones though. This one's also neat to figure out. No, not you. You. Okay. And then this Hard Candy Velvet Mousse Matte Lip Color. They're not really liquid lips. I don't even know the name of this. It doesn't have the name on it, which is so dumb. They're not bad, but like, I just don't reach for this. So I'm gonna see if a friend wants this, because some of my friends really don't care about sharing lip products. I don't have diseases, we're good. But if not, I'm probably just gonna throw it out. I don't reach for it anymore, but they weren't bad. I don't know. I remember really liking them, but then not. I'm not sure. This is the LA Colors Pout Lip Gloss Matte. These are from Dollar Tree, and they're basically liquid lips, and they're not bad. This one's called Let's Kiss. I'm going to try this again because I haven't used it in a while, but I do remember really liking it, and they're like cheap, so that's good. So didn't do too terrible, but didn't do too well on this. I have 4, 5, 6 I need to try, and then these 2 I'm throwing out. So at least, you know, something's going somewhere, right? I need somewhere to put all of these to try. Okay, here's all the colorful liquid lipsticks. Yes, I have a problem. I know, you don't have to tell me, it's fine. Like I said, Anastasia liquid lips kind of suck, which is really annoying because they're pretty, and this one's called Madison, which is my name. But, I mean, I'm gonna keep it anyways because I have a problem. I love this color from Jordana. The formula is not the best, but it's a gorgeous color, so I'm gonna keep that. I'm keeping all of my Wet n Wild liquid catsuit colors. I have a bunch of the mermaid ones, and then a couple others. I really like these. And they're cheap. The Rimmel Stay Mattes. Told you I have more. Like I said, unsure about them, so we're just going to kind of put these in like a maybe pile. Haven't tried the formula yet. What is this? RK by Kiss Matte Liquid Lip Color. I've had this for a while, and I haven't used it. That's pretty, though. I need to try that. Love my dose of colors. Love this NARS one. Very nice. There's another one of those LA Colors Pout Matte Lip Gloss things. I need to try again. NYX Liquid Suede. I have a couple of these. This shade and the dark shade. Oh, it has that sound that I hate. It's just not a good sound for product. It sounds cheap. I need to try these and decide if I really do like the formula. I do like these, I think. These old Rimmel Show Off Mattes. I've had this for a hot second though, and it says you're not supposed to have it for more than 2 years. I'm going to try this one again and possibly keep it. I did really like them at one point. I have another NYX Liquid Suede I need to try. This is like a metallic one I got in gratis. Love my Smashbox. This Rimmel one, I've had this for a while and I haven't used it. It's supposed to be like really stay put, so I need to try that. And then I have a Stila Sheer Liquid Lip. I'm going to keep this. It's kind of interesting. So, and I do like Stila ones. So these are all, I didn't really get rid of any of these, which is fine. But I have what? 1, 2, let's just count the ones that are all the same together. 6, I guess, that I'm trying. We'll see. But these ones are definitely keeps. Here's all these lip balms. I'm keeping this one, this Malin and Goats I love, Soft Lips I love, Kiehl's. Honestly, this is kind of old, but like, I'm gonna keep it anyways. This all over balm says that it's like, you can't use it after a 1.5 years, or it expires after a 1.5 years. But like, what expires about a, like, body balm? Or like, you know, I don't know. Do I really want this? Do I ever reach for this? The answer is no. I'm gonna throw this out because it says it's old and I don't use it. I have an EOS lip balm, a custom one, but I've never liked these, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out. I have Corlex Beauty Argan Whipped Lip Butter in Cherry Kiss. This is like natural, so I'm gonna keep this one. It's handmade. I have a couple little Vaseline pots, which are also just good to have, not just for your lips, but like travel-sized Vaseline if needed. So I have the cherry, or the rosy, and the original. I'm gonna keep these. I don't know, I feel like these are good things to keep around. Then I have these 2 soft lips. How cute are these? Do you see? They're little soft lips Hello Kitty cubes. I do really like these soft lips, like Ice Cube lip balms. But these say that they expired like last year, which is so frustrating. I never really liked the red one, but I did like this one. Oh, I think it only says it's expired because there's SPF in it. Does that mean I'm gonna die because it has expired SPF, or does that just mean the SPF no longer works? I need to know these things. Okay, this one smells gross, even though it's cute. I need to get rid of it. But I'm gonna hang on to this one for now at least because it's just so cute, I can't handle it. So I'm throwing out these 3 at least, some are going. On to the lip gloss portion. These are all pinky tone, nude tones, and some clear, kind of shimmery lip glosses. Oh, and then these guys, which I have a whole bunch of because they came in a set, these little L'Oreal infallible paint things. These are kind of a weird hybrid between liquid lips and lip glosses. They don't like dry down. They're just mostly like an actual lipstick in a melted form, if that makes sense. I don't know, they're not bad, and I have a whole bunch. So I think I'm going to be keeping all of these. I've already gotten rid of like 4 or 5 that I never opened, that I just like, I'm not going to use those colors. So I kept quite a few to try, and they're cute. So I'm going to keep those for sure. This one I got in gratis, this pure lip gloss, Chateau Kisses in Love Struck. Never been used in the box. This is going to go in my giveaway drawer. So I'll just put that aside. I finally tried this guy on again. I remember really liking the formula. Can you see? Is it blurry? I'm sorry. I don't know how to function. How do you YouTube? I don't remember. These OCC stain glosses, this is the old packaging. This one is called Hedonist, I think. I remember really liking the formula, but this color looks utterly stupid on me, and it's probably, yeah, it's definitely old, so I'm just going to throw this one out. I have a bunch of these MAC glosses that came like with the special packaging in a holiday set, and like I said, I don't really like lip gloss. I don't really even like MAC lip gloss. I don't know why I have these, but they're pretty, they're MAC, they're expensive. So I'm giving myself until my next declutter to try to use these up, maybe fall in love with one specific one. Maybe, but I'm going to keep these for now, but next declutter they're going to go, because I can't even back to MAC these. We'll just see. I'm going to try to get some more use out of them, because I have had them for a little bit now. So those are like, for now. A couple more MAC I have here, the Miley Cyrus one and Wonderstruck. Again, oh, sorry, Miley Cyrus and Wonderstruck. I'm going to keep these. I might keep these. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily get rid of these next declutter, but I can back to MAC these, so we'll see. I'm just going to try to get more use out of these things. Okay, I said I don't like lip gloss, but if I had to choose, I do like the NYX ones, especially the butter glosses, and I love the intense butter glosses. And honestly, these are kind of old, but I'm keeping both of them because I do really enjoy them. So this one is Creme Brulee and Tres Leches. I like freaking love this. So I'm keeping those. I do also really like these LA Girl Glaze lip paints. They're like minty and pigmented and really nice, so blushing, keeping that. There's a little bitty Lancome sample. These are like the new lip lacquers. What is this one called? Be Unique. It's like staining and really bright, and I just got it in this baby size, so it doesn't really count. Keeping that. I am keeping this mini Hoola lip gloss from Benefit. They don't even make these anymore, I don't think, but it's like a bronzy lip gloss. I don't know. I want to try it. I want to see what I think and maybe keep it. I don't know. This Butter London Lip Glaze is new. I'm keeping that. That's from gratis. I do like these Buxom. They're kind of liquid lips, but not. This little mini, I'm going to keep that one. Oh, this isn't really good. Oh, this one, this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Wasn't really a fan. Istanbul. It's kind of a weird color. I don't know if mine was just old, but I'm going to throw this out. I don't know what these Milani lip glosses are called. They're from Dollar Tree, but I do really like the formula, so I'm going to keep this for now. 2 more glosses here. This Anastasia one I'm going to keep in Kristen because it's a really pretty color, but this Laura Geller one, I'm just going to go ahead and I think, yeah, I don't need that. I've already swatched it, so I think I've just swatched this one in Cookie Dough. I'm going to see if anybody else wants that because I don't. Okay, I'm not doing very good, guys. I mean, a bunch of these are like, half of these are like probably going to be gotten rid of by next time, but like I wish I could be like, I'm just keeping these. But then I don't want to get rid of all of these. You know, it's a problem. I'm trying to go through. Hopefully we'll do much better next time, but I'm at least throwing away 2 and giving away 2. Now onto the purples and kind of berry tones. I love me some purples, obviously. So I am going to keep, like I said, these infallible ones that I'm still kind of playing with and learning and whatever. So I have more of those there. And I'm going to keep these MAC ones until next declutter. Oh, there's another MAC one that I literally bought for the packaging. How stupid am I? This is one that I'm going to try to use up and probably back to MAC or just put on display forever. Who knows? I have another one of these LA Girl glazed lip paints that I really like. This one's in Koi, keeping that. These Wet n Wild Color Icon lip glosses were from some special collection, but they're really nice and pigmented. So I'm going to keep the dark purple because it matches my aesthetic. But this light purple looks so stupid on me, so I'm just going to throw that one away. I have this really cute Kiss lip glaze in deep purple, and it's like really cute packaging. It's very thin. It's super pigmented, but I'm just like over it. I never really reached for it, and I've had it forever, so I'm going to throw that out. Oh, here's more infallible paints. This Wet n Wild metallic liquid lip. It's not even a liquid lip. It's just a lip gloss, basically, and I don't reach for it. It's called Indigo Your Own Way. I'm going to throw that out. I've had it for a little bit. Love my butter glosses from NYX, Raspberry Tart, and keeping that one. And then I can't get rid of this one. This Milani Hope Flash I got from Dollar Tree is just like so fun and sparkly. I have to keep it. Oh, this is not going well. I need a whole section for these infallible things. There's so many of them. But, I mean, at least I got rid of 3 from this section, right? It's better than none. And the last section is kind of corally reds. I do have an old matte tender tone. This is pretty damn old. I don't use it anymore. It's just kind of waiting to be back to MAC. So, this is basically trash, but back to MAC. So it's like waiting for the rest of its buddies to be able to go back to MAC to get a product. I just got this Ulta Lip Plumper, trying that out. Keeping this Milani lip gloss. That's another one of those weird ones. I don't know where it came from. This little Smashbox Mini. This is literally like a liquid pigment. It's so like thick and sticky, but it's cool for like pictures, and it's just a little mini I got for free, so I'm gonna keep that. Okay, here's one of my I'm a crazy hoarder things I'm gonna keep. Y'all, look how cute this is. I'm sure I've showed y'all before. It's a MAC lip gloss from the old Venomous Villains collection, and it has 101 Dalmatians on it. It's Cruella de Vil. Oh, it's so adorable. I haven't used this in forever because it's old, but I'm still keeping it because I like to look at it because I'm a crazy person. Elizabeth Mott Colors Bay Lip Lacquer. Don't even know where this came from. Old, throwing that out. Marvelous Moxie Lip Gloss by Bare Minerals. This was a birthday gift. I don't mind this, but I'm just not going to reach for it. So I'm going to throw that away. NYX Butter Gloss and Apple Strudel. Keeping this one, even though it's kind of old, TBH. But like, oh wait, is this the one that I was going to get rid of? Okay, so your girl about to have no coral lip gloss because these both smell weird. So the NYX Butter Gloss and Apple Strudel has to go. And this Maybelline Color Elixir and Breathtaking Apricot. I did like these. That's the Maybelline one, that's the NYX one. I did like these, but they're just old. Like, they're really old, and they need to be thrown away. So those need to go. Now I'm, like, concerned about my other NYX ones. Okay, I think the others were good, but now we're done. So I'm only keeping 4, technically, in this section. I'll show y'all in just a second. But I am, for all of my lip glosses, I'm throwing out 10. 10 are getting thrown out. 2 are getting passed along. And then this is now what the drawer looks like. It's much better. I do have a whole pile of liquid lips that are being tested, but this is better, and at least like a couple handfuls of these are also like in the process of figuring out. So yay!